What's going on, people? It's GBP baby. It's currently Friday, 12th of May, 7:13 p.m. I'm feeling good, and well, obviously, exactly what we said was going to happen happened, because that's just what we do on this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Um, but let's take a look at today's price action. I know there's a lot of consolidation. Usually when we have big down moves like this, let's go on the 15-minute. When we have big down moves like this, it's expected to have a very big consolidation, but I was not expecting this much consolidation. I did anticipate price trading up to here, as you know from yesterday's video. Don't forget to go check that out. It's me saying, okay, price is allowed to trade back up and retrace, but this is as far as I want it to go. Any higher and I'll be very confused. Like, price shouldn't trade above this, which is also allowing us to create our entries. For example, tomorrow, if we trade higher first into this fair value gap, we know that we want to be entering sales above opening price and within this area here, and then this should act as strong resistance, because again, this was a bullish fair value gap, became a bearish fair value gap, so now it should continue to act as a bearish fair value gap, assuming we are looking for lower lows, which I believe we are. And then, as I anticipated as well, I'm expecting price to come down to this Sunday opening level, and it seems like we're going to trade to that and then turn around. But yeah, this was an intense amount of consolidation, back and forth, constantly backing and forth in, constantly consolidating within this range here. And then you can see, so like, tomorrow I'm going to try and make a video on my entries, because I have traded this week, but I am going to get around to it. I've just been very busy. But anyway, I put a buy limit here, and then obviously we traded above it here, and then for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 hours, I had price just waiting around here, and then finally it broke down and started to do its thing. But that was a crazy amount of consolidation. If we add the Euro USD and we add the DXY, we can see as well. This was wrong. My bad, guys. Let me add DXY. That's better. So yeah, this is similar to what happened on the higher time frame that I explained yesterday in yesterday's video, in terms of smart money distribution. So I'm going to explain this in very simple terms, as I did yesterday. Euro USD moves down, DXY moves up, these two are in tandem. GBP don't care, she's doing her own thing, and then eventually she's forced to catch up with the rest, so she breaks down aggressively and continues to fall, and that's what we're seeing now. So while this was consolidating and I was watching Euro move lower and I was watching DXY move higher, I was confident that my position was still going to go ahead in terms of my short position was still going to execute correctly. So that's what kept me confident, because I was aware and I had my eyes on Euro and dollar, realizing that, okay, Euro and dollar again holding hands, skipping through pretty fields with the sun out and the sky blue, whilst GBP is literally in her own world, being a bad bitch. So that's what kept me confident. And then obviously we hit 7:15, and eventually GBP's like, oh crap, I need to catch up, and that's exactly what we see her doing, and that's what she does accordingly. So yeah, for Friday it's very active. Again, we've had a significant move over the past 2 days, Thursday and Friday. So I wouldn't be surprised if the next two, like some Monday and Tuesday, I wouldn't be surprised if those days next week are pretty consolidated. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, and in the weekly review. Like I said, I have made some trades today, and I made a trade on Tuesday. I am gonna make a video separately showing you those trades, because again, I've tried to show my executions, but they don't show up. Let me see. Yeah, when I click executions, the executions don't show up. So I'm gonna have to actually go and find the exact price I entered and show you guys why I entered at these prices. But for the record, I entered above this high here, as I did explain in yesterday's video, and I'll just say it one more time. I expected this fair value gap to get traded to. I expected price to stay within it, as it did. Volume all stayed within it, and then I expected price to leave this range for lower prices. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. You can see we're gravitating towards this Sunday opening, and other than that, I'll probably just catch you in the review. We'll have a look at Dixie though, because I did say I'll make it a habit for us to check on Dixie. Wow, Dixie's traded through this volume imbalance. I didn't realize how strong Dixie was today, to be honest. Yeah, wow, it's like a rocket ship. So you can just see Dixie running very fast in this buy side liquidity, and then you can see all these levels that are probably going to get tapped, 1, 2, 3, and start running up there. But it's nice to see finally some movement. You know, we've been consolidated for a very long time. If we go on the weekly, yep, the weekly's looking crazy. On my weekly review, I will obviously break down this a lot more clearly and explain what I want to be seeing going forward. That will be out on Sunday. But until then, guys, stay safe. Make sure you watch yesterday's video so you can understand why I managed to enter in such a good position. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.